my money. If a nigga tryna take my money, I turn it into stomach. Yeah, feel like a Peter when I'm running with this baby night. I feel like a trigger with the 4-5 up one. Feel like
Yeah, I don't even know how that shit works. So
Don't
I'm
worry, we got you, baby. We got you.
I'm gonna let you ask the questions, man. I feel like you're a fair guy, man.
I'm a fair guy, man.
Mhm.
We're gonna let some more people get in here real quick. Let's get these numbers up, y'all. That's shared aloud. I'm sharing it myself right now. We're gonna let the people get in here. Huh? That's what we doing. How you feeling today, my good brother?
Oh no, I'm feeling great, man. I just came from the zoo, man.
Oh, sound like you're living life. Sound like you're living life, man. Taking care of your family. That's what it sounds like. It's a good man right there.
No. I went to the zoo.
Good man. Okay, they
Yo,
coming in. They an anonymous. Okay, we see y'all down there. Shout out to the anonymous. Shout out to the anonymous. What's good, y'all?
what's the word? Nah, King. Nah. I went to the zoo by myself.
Oh, word?
Yeah, I was hanging with the monkeys and shit.
You heard? Ooh, ooh, ah,
Ooh, ah,
ah.
facts.
Oh man, y'all get in here, y'all share the space, y'all know what's going on, man. We is in here, monkey business.
Monkey
Don't
business, man.
yeah, don't run from it, man. We are here. Yeah, it's that. Okay, they coming in here. My dog Trap. What's good, battle rap? Trap in the building.
Battle rap trap in the building. DNA did what? Excellent.
K Marco in the building. Ah. Oh man. Every once in a while, man, my good brother DNA gets the culture in the uproar, man. Every once in
Trap,
a
you can
while.
come up here and talk too. I feel like you just be doing your job, man. You ain't nobody that be, man, doing too much. So you wanna
Oh,
come
he's
up
not
here and
coming up.
talk, you can come up here and
He's
talk too.
he's recording right now. He's doing
Yeah,
he's doing his
that's
other
what I'm
job.
saying. Yeah. Get to work.
Yo, Trap, pull up, Trap, if you want to, man. We trying to holler at the people. We trying to holler at the people, man. We got 12 in here. Let's go ahead and get this up to at least 20. They gonna come in here. You know what I'm saying? So, my good brother,
Yo.
I got a few questions from the people.
Okay. What's the questions? Talk to
You know
me.
what I'm saying? And anybody who got questions, man, if y'all don't want to come up and speak, feel free to leave your comments right here in the chat. Y'all know we gonna look those up and we gonna ask all the necessary questions. We not playing. You feel me?
Yeah, and then anybody that's gonna be respectful, come up and ask questions. I don't duck no ref. Talk to me.
Definitely. And keep it respectful because we will drop you at Feli. What's up? Mr. Vibe in the building. That's what I'm talking about. The people, man. The people. We are here for the people, man. My man DNA ducks no smoke. He said the people got questions. He's here.
Yeah.
That's what he said. He said he ducks no smoke, especially not from the fans, the supporters. He wanna address anything that's on y'all mind. So this is how we gonna kick it right here. DNA. How long have you been? Oh, okay. What up, Feli? What up, Feli? You got a
Feli, what
question? Or
up?
you just waving? You just waving? Ain't nothing wrong with that, my love.
Mr.
Ain't nothing.
Vibe, what up, Mr. Vibe?
So, as far as battling, right? How long have you been going from battling?
Uh, 3 years in August. I haven't battle rapped in
Damn,
3 years.
it's been that long.
Yeah, it's been that long. Facts.
Damn, 3 years. So the thing that be on everybody's mind is like, oh man, how can he go from making so much money in battle rap to what is he doing now? What is he doing now? Now you always been one of the ones that's been in the mix, right? for things outside of battle rap, whether it's BTs, whether it's wrestling events, whether it's TV shows, whether it's ESPN. We could go down the list, right?
Mm-hmm.
We could go down the list, man. Um, can you give the people an insight on the last 3 years? What have you been doing outside of the ring to maintain the DNA lifestyle and brand?
Well, what's crazy is the DNA lifestyle and brand. I would be lying to you if I tell you that life wasn't great when I was a battle rapper. It was. But once I lost my mom, because like, and I feel like that's the thing too with me. So I'm gonna just keep it all the way 100. Like, if you want to troll, you could troll. That's funny because it's a cool thing to troll DNA. But I'm being
Yeah,
dead
cool.
serious because when I troll back, people don't take it as trolling. They take it as me being arrogant. And I mean, throwing my accolades in their face or insulting them. But I'm playing the game that y'all started playing with me for years when I was the humble guy and I got no respect. But you know what I mean?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Even though I lost the battle to Jerry West, right? I said that. I'm a man of my word. Some people don't even get on camera and say that. I did. 30 days after that, I lost my mom. Anybody in there lost a parent, you know what that feels like. So not only did I lose my mom was the last person living in my family from my immediate family that I grew up with. So that was the end. I already lost my dad, already lost my uncle, already lost my grandma, already lost my grandfather, and so on. So my mom was the last person left. Now I got my own family that I created, but not only did I lose my mom, but I lost the last person left in the family that I grew up to know. So that made me fall back from battle rap because I got a certain rapport that's professional. And you can't guarantee that nobody's not gonna say nothing out of pocket. We all know how this game goes. You know what you sign up for. So rather than be in that predicament, I said, I gotta chill. In the process of doing that, through like God and I guess my mom and everybody else that's upstairs, it blessed me with the opportunity to not only act 2 times on Raising Canaan in season 3 and season 4, but I was able to write 9 out of 10 songs on the season 4 soundtrack. So the songs that y'all hear from B Rilla and Famous on the show, I penned those, and even the song that I acted in, I wrote that song too. So that's one of the things I was doing. Then shout out to Trick Williams. I got linked with WWE, so I started making appearances there, working behind the scenes, doing stuff with that with my podcast. And then I was streaming on TikTok. And when I had all that time at home, instead of being depressed um, and just sitting in the crib, I took what I learned from caffeine and I figured out how to take it to the next level by being on TikTok. And then yeah, it just took my great lifestyle, my good lifestyle, into a great lifestyle. So that's what I've been doing.
Definitely. Definitely. Now all that sounds reasonable and respectable, right?
Yeah,
Out of all of those things, those three things, let's say the acting and the create movie for the show, the TikTok and the wrestling podcast and appearances, which has been your favorite and which has been the most lucrative? Two separate questions.
two separate questions. My favorite, I would have to say Power, because that's something that I wanted to do. If anybody followed my journey or you was just a casual DNA fan, but an avid battle rap fan, and I was doing recaps for about 4 years, you know what I mean? Constantly every single week on every single show that 50 was putting out. And 2 years into it, then 50 reposted me and then getting on the show. So it was like, it was something that I worked hard for. So that was my favorite because it was just like, you know what I mean? It was just like something that I really wanted to do. Streaming is something I stumbled upon, but streaming is the most lucrative, man. I make 10 times what I made in battle rap streaming.
Uh-huh. Yeah, talk heavy to that.
So,
Uh,
yeah,
all right, so recently, man,
yeah,
we've been seeing some things online, man. A couple people here, a couple people there.
yeah,
They've seen, one of your forms of getting paper out here and being the big DNA brand that we know as
yeah,
of the last years, right?
yeah.
They see the clip, and I'm sure I was even trying to give people perspective, but niggas listen. But I think the clip was like taken out of context, and a lot of people don't know what's going on.
All the way taken out of context.
Of course,
But just to clarify, right? So it's three different things that happen, right? So originally, I know where it stemmed from, you know what I mean, which is a video, so it's funny. But in the video, me and Good said no names, so it's like if you just take a general statement personal, I figure you trying to get content, you trying to keep doing what you're doing, which I understand, but make it very clear I said nobody's name. So, when they say the shoe fits, wear it, a lot of niggas put on that size 10 because I didn't say nobody's name. So it's like
ah,
if niggas say battle rappers is corny, I don't think I'm a corny nigga. So that don't apply to me. So you gotta say the three letters for me to respond. That's just me though. You know what I mean? Unless I'm just trying to get content, then it won't matter. Then a general statement to do that. So make it very clear. I never singled nobody out. I never said nothing. And what I was referring to is not that. Now, what I will say is because I'm gonna be very serious. I don't want to troll because my tweet yesterday was trolling, and then people was like, "Oh, yo, you're a coon. You're selling out." Let's make it very clear. If you limit yourself in life, which I never did because I don't play a tough guy role. I never did. I'm not gangster. I don't play none of those things. So I don't have those barriers that other people have. Right. So if tomorrow Disney asked me to play Tarzan and I had to make monkey sounds playing Tarzan, that's what I would do because it's a role. That wouldn't make me look to me, I wouldn't feel like I look anyway because I don't have a facade that I have to keep up like other people. Other people have, what I mean, certain things they do, they want to be looked a certain way, they want to be revered that way, that's on them. Now, be very clear, right? If you say you wouldn't get on live and make monkey sounds, I could totally understand that because I wouldn't get on live and air out dirty laundry about people that I used to fuck with or gossip about people every day. So
oh man,
so
hey,
so in that
oh,
opinion, so in
oh,
that
hey.
regard, we all have a different definition of what is corny. To me, I think that's corny. Like at the end of the day, I make my money. I've always made my money about me. When I was on caffeine, my content never consisted of talking about the next man. It was creating battles and doing face-offs. What I'm doing right now don't consider the next man. So how I make my money never. I could go the rest of my life we're not talking about another individual and I'm gonna be straight. A lot of other people can't say that. Their money is based on talking about others. So therefore, to me, that's corny. That's what I was referring to. Now, you can't call me a coon because a white man didn't make me make a monkey sound. I wasn't battling a white person when I made the monkey sound. And that's not a requirement on TikTok to make money by making monkey sounds. Now, if that was the case, if they said the only way you can make money, black man, African American man, is if you get on here and make monkey sounds, then I would be a sellout. But that's not the requirement. The context of the video is I actually didn't have to make monkey sounds. The person I was battling did, and I was imitating them making the rhyme. So that's the whole truth of the matter. I wasn't even the one that had to do it. I was doing it, trolling, being funny, like, ha ha, you gotta do it. I'm a rap while I'm saying it. And it's a theme series. So it's
And
just
that's what
like,
I wanted to get out there, man, because it was like, a lot of people was saying like, oh, he's doing this for the white man, oh, and there was a white lady up there that made him do it and everything like that. And me knowing certain things, I know like, oh nah, y'all tripping, man.
yeah,
So that's why I'm glad you came up here today, and you know what I'm
yeah, the
saying. Just
young
let the
no, and what's so crazy is I was never gonna say nothing because I just thought it was funny. Like I've been called corny damn near my whole career. I could care less. That's your opinion. That don't corny. The word corny does nothing to me. I'm confident in myself, and I'm gonna probably do something you think is corny tomorrow because I'm gonna be me always. That's me. So that was never gonna get me the answer. That's funny to me. That's all y'all can say about me.
Oh yeah, yeah. I ain't gonna lie to that. Now we was loud. Now that shit was funny
No,
though,
no,
as a
no, no.
motherfucker.
But that's what I'm
Now.
saying. I wasn't going to respond because it was funny. Like, bro,
Yeah, yeah,
I'm content with myself, bro. I didn't thrown a
yeah.
tooth in the crowd. I didn't dressed up and did all the time. Like, bro, I'm comfortable with myself. So I'm there to make you laugh. That was the point of doing it. It's entertaining. But the point where you try to make it like I'm going against my culture or something. That's when I'm like, all right, now it's just being weird. Like troll me. Yo, DNA, you look crazy doing it. Ha ha. That's funny because you don't understand what it is. You're not supposed to. But making it anything else, it can't be that because that's not a requirement for me to do on TikTok. That's a one-time thing that I did trolling somebody else that actually had to do it. And number three, the white man didn't say, hell, hey, you have to make monkey sounds to do this. It's no other than AB and Dean the Great dressing up and being silly on stream. Some people find that corny. Some people find it entertaining. I'm gonna go on the side of entertainment. So
And we like that, man. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta do your own shit, create your own lane. You ain't gotta worry about what nobody say. And like you say, man, as long as it ain't going against the grain of what you believe in and what you stand on, then it's like, who gives a fuck?
yeah,
You know?
and trust me, on TikTok, it's a whole other type of world that I don't divulge in because that goes against what I'm just not gonna do. But
Yeah.
now I mean, dressing up, I did that in battles. You know what I mean? We done dressed up as doctors. We done dressed up as moms. We done dressed up as
Facts,
I
facts,
can't think
facts.
of the list. This is
All
nothing.
type
This
of
is
shit.
nothing you haven't seen from me the 20 to 15 years I've been in the culture. I've always
And
been
I
me.
get it, man. I dressed up as a Walmart employee. I get it, 100%. Nigga, a lot of niggas wouldn't do it, man. So I get it, dog. I get it. I'm not mad at it, 100%, man. Any questions? Anybody got anything for DNA while we in here too? Let me look in the comment section just to make sure. Okay, anybody got any comments? I know y'all could drop them comments off right there. Any questions? But now I'm glad you took some time to come out here and address this, man. You know what I'm saying? I know my dog ain't never run from no smoke. You feel me?
Yeah, no facts.
That's how we giving it up. Three Letterman. Three Letterman, what's up, man? Invite Three Letterman up here.
Nah, I don't think he can talk right now. I think he told me he was still at work.
Oh, okay. Okay, my dog, my dog. Yeah, man. We just had to get that squared away, man. I wish somebody would come up here and any questions, because a lot of people had questions and comments and shit.
Yeah, I know, I know. I mean, it's like I said, bro. It's a cool thing to hate on DNA. That's why I'm content with it. It's cool. But then y'all go back to y'all lives and I go back to mine. So
Huh?
that's when it gets real different.
Huh?
You know
You
what I
go
mean?
back to your life. I got to go back to mine, baby. That's a fact,
That's what I'm
man.
saying. But I really feel like everybody. I just think niggas make a choice to be funny. I think niggas know it wasn't that. I just think it's like I said, niggas was mad on the statements that I made. So they just own me. But the thing about it too, T Top, you gotta understand, they didn't have to look hard to find this video. I posted it. So
Come
you
on,
see what
come
I'm
on.
saying?
Yeah,
Like none
yeah.
of this was like, oh my God, like wow, they really did research and was secretly screaming. It's on my TikTok page. If you watch me in any capacity, you could go there. It's still there. It's gonna remain there. It's gonna live there. All I'm saying is, right, again, for the people that's in there, the battle rappers and all that, I'm not even mad at y'all comments on what y'all saying, because everybody's gonna hate or have something negative to say on what they don't understand. All I'm telling y'all is now that y'all know what's going on and I'm there, just come watch me. Maybe you could from watching, because you know what I mean? Like T-Top, it's my brother.
Oh,
I'm gonna tell him what's going on. I'm gonna show him what's going on. I'm gonna lead him. The rest of y'all, I'm not, because y'all could have just asked me. But since y'all formulated y'all opinion, I just want y'all to come watch now. Watch me get it. Y'all can be in the views. Y'all don't gotta make a fake account. Just come watch what I'm doing. I encourage everybody to come watch it, because sooner or later, whether you get to the point of making sounds or not, you're gonna be streaming.
mm-hmm.
I'm just telling y'all right now, you're gonna be streaming.
That's a fact, man. I'm up there, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all follow me on TikTok, man. Blue check busy, huh? Huh?
And the only message I can give to the coach, and they not gonna like it. Check this shit out, right? On
What?
TikTok, by me being me, because some people over there don't even know that I'm DNA the battle rapper. Just by my regular personality, the one that they deem that's corny. Like I said, I make so I'd rather do that than
It's
be
kind of
here,
healthy
than
over
be
there,
here
Papa.
racking my brain, coming up with the most meticulous lines and struggling to come up with all the shit. And all y'all gonna do is bootleg the work. But y'all want me to care about what y'all think. Y'all bootleg the work. They pay for the work. Y'all bootleg the work. And I'm
Uh-huh.
and I'm talking about in battle rap, it's good work. It's the work that a nigga spent 21 days losing sleep, staying away from his family, working hard to not even get paid what he deserves. But there, I'ma just go and troll, do a safari themed battle, and I'm gonna cash out the
Yo,
caffeine
I
check.
told niggas it was a safari team battle. So that's exactly. I said, yo, and this is me not even knowing exactly what's going on. This is just me reading the room,
Yeah,
right? I'm like, yo, they probably was doing a safari battle. I see my man with the binoculars. It was like a whole theme to me. You know what I mean?
yeah.
Like, and
But
I
no, what
used
I'm
to love.
saying, make it very clear, is
Come on.
I'm not cashing out what niggas was getting in battle rap now. I'm cashing out. Caffeine never stopped for me. So I know y'all niggas is dehydrated and y'all drinking water and y'all not on I'm still on caffeine timing. So God bless, man. It never ended for me. That's what I'm doing over there. So to each his own, man. To each his own, man.
Yeah, gotta
I
get
just
it
feel
out
like
hustling.
I would appreciate the scrutiny, not even for me, because I'm not doing it. But it's like if niggas did all of that, I would want to see niggas that actively battle, niggas come out and really support niggas battling. But niggas don't.
Come on.
Niggas
Come on, man.
bootleg. And like I said, the time, right? Think about everything that's going on. This is when you know the game is fucked up. Swamp did a diss track. Jazz did a diss track. Hitman did a diss track. Loaded Lux did a diss track. And niggas is talking about what a nigga that's not in battle rap is doing. Hello?
Uh,
That's not
hello.
bothering niggas. That's doing what he's doing. Why we not talking about that? Why is that not the main? That's why I say the game is fucked up, bro. Niggas find more enjoyment in talking about some shit that has nothing to do with pushing the culture forward than the shit that's actually gonna push it forward. The niggas that
Picking out shit to tear it down. You know what I'm saying? Just to point out shit to tear it down for. Shit that ain't even got shit to do with them, man. I dig it. I dig it 100%.
yeah, so I mean, yeah, man. I didn't think, and for niggas saying like, it only shows me once again how powerful my words are. Because if it ruffled, Good said this shit. I just co-signed it because I don't give a fuck. Honestly, I don't. I don't care who got mad, but it's like, why do y'all care so much of what I said unless I directed it to you? Like it should just. I see niggas say battle rappers is corny every day, and I keep scrolling. That shit got nothing to do with me.
Yep, I see him say battle rappers is broke. I just scroll,
Yeah,
man.
and it's like,
It might apply to some, but if it don't apply, just let it fly.
yeah, man. I don't know, man, but
Yeah, man,
we
man.
we we. You know what I mean, T Top, I'm ready for this, man. Just they
Oh,
just released
I'm,
the
I'm,
lion and the gorilla on TikTok. So
hey, listen, man.
gorilla,
Sign me up for the gorilla.
gorilla's hefty, man.
I'm going to the safari. I don't give a fuck what they talking about. They kiss my
Gorilla just
ass.
came out, man.
Yeah, man. We about to go. I'm about to go to safari, man. We gonna holla at y'all, man. We
Yo,
gonna see y'all.
anybody in here got any questions before I get out of here? Y'all know I don't even usually I don't even know how to work this shit. That's why I told T Top to pull up. But
Yeah,
anybody want to talk? I'm here. I mean, while I'm here, let's get it.
yeah, man. See what the people talk about, man. Now I know somebody in here that's listening anonymous going. As soon as the space end, they gonna start a space talking about DNA space.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Come talk to me, man. I'm here.
Y'all can pull up, man. Y'all can pull up right now. Holla at my dog. My dog is in the
Yo,
flesh. He
T
not
Top, is
around.
there a way you could turn on your? Can you turn on the camera in there? Nah.
Now you got it. You could go live, but not in the
Oh,
spaces. You got
okay.
to do whole live type shit.
Uh,
Yeah, but yeah, man,
nah.
it ain't about.
Yeah, I wanted to show niggas something, but damn.
Well, showing that mugger.
Nah. You never do that. I'm the nigga can never get me to do
That
that, man.
nigga.
Hell no. I don't got it, man. Fucked up.
I'm fucked up, baby. I'm
Fucked
fucked
up.
up.
Hell no. But nah, we
Nah,
know what you call it. Shout out to my guy Extra too. Shout out it be a certain amount of people that be knowing one they be rocking with me and then there be other niggas that just be knowing what's going on. Like Kid Chaos, bro. He don't got no horse in the race. He don't got no reason to side with me. And he's a very outspoken individual. Nah, man. So I know
facts.
he speak his mind with however he sees it. But to me, it was funny because I knew where it came from.
Yeah, you know where it come from, bro. It just come from. Oh, we already feeling some kind of way. He said this.
Yeah.
Let me capture this
I be trying to
moment
clip
and
him. And I
just
mean,
post it.
I like it though. It was good. Like it was funny, but it was like at the same time, I'm like, it would be iller if I was disguising it and hiding it. I'd be posting the shit on social media. Come pull up. I have no, I don't know, man. I just think certain people don't be living the life like, you know what I mean, with no
No, they
limitations.
don't. Man.
My shit be like,
They
yo,
don't,
bro,
man.
I am who I say I am, so I don't got nothing to hide, bro. I don't live behind a facade. You know what I mean? And
Facts.
there's certain things that I'm not gonna do. But as far as acting, like like I said, if niggas think selling out, so if Disney and Paramount offered you a movie and you got to play Tarzan and you got to do the call with the monkeys, did you sell out or did you do a movie?
Huh? Huh? Sometimes you gotta ask questions, man. London Jen in the building. What's
You
up?
feel me? Like now it'd be different
Yeah,
if they
yeah.
told you the only role you can get in the music entertainment business is to sound like a
Come
monkey.
on.
They're not selling out. That's some cool shit because they're basically telling you this is who we see you as. But nobody forced me to do it. TikTok doesn't say, yo, in order to get paid, you got to do Safari themed series. I made it up. Like,
Come on, man.
so,
Come on.
you know what I mean? But wish everybody well, man. I definitely want battle rap to last, man. But you know what I mean?
It's looking sad, man. Yo, Frank, I see Frank White in here. Frank White, you got any questions for DNA?
And
We the
Frank
fans.
White be doing wild takes, man. Letting niggas just disrespect niggas and all that. Frank White is out of pocket too.
Yeah. Oh, he been out of pocket, man. He been
Man.
out of pocket. We're gonna talk about it though. Frank White. Yeah, man, we the fans of the building, Springs TV. All right, man. You know what I'm saying, DNA? We ain't gonna keep you too long, man. We know you're a very busy man, man. You know what I'm saying? Very, very
Oh
busy
yeah.
man. We know you gotta hit the safari.
Yeah, we gotta hit the
You,
Safari,
you,
Jumanji, all that. So
Little
hold
Jumanji
on.
work. You feel me?
Oh, Frank White wanna come on. Yo,
Yo, y'all can hear
what's the
me?
word,
What
Brody?
up, Frank?
My bad, my shit was tweaking. What monkey business is crazy? What's going on in here?
Nah, it's monkey business, man. They
They
tripping.
tripping because you making money?
I mean, I know why they tripping, but like I said, right? It's so crazy when I said what I said. Shout out to the homie that even started all of this. But he wasn't even in mind when I said what I said. It's like T Top said, when you see a blog that says battle rappers are broke or battle rappers is corny, I don't ever get mad at that because niggas ain't talking about me. Like you got to put my name on it. You got to say DNA is whack, DNA is corny, DNA is broke, and then I still don't give a fuck. But now I know you talking about me. I never said nobody's name. Good said fuck bloggers. I said yeah, fuck them. They ain't getting no mugger. He ain't said it ain't like he said a name. Now if Good said a name and I said that, then I can understand. So it's like whatever size 9 to 10 that was just left in Nike Soho, niggas just put the shoes on, or niggas just wanted to, not mean, get content. I don't know what it was, but nonetheless. I thought it was funny. I thought making the monkey sounds when I had to make the person I was battling do it was funny. That's why I was imitating it. But once niggas started going, yo, man, he's cooning this shit. I'm like, yo, niggas can't be serious, bro. Niggas just say words and they don't even know the definition of what they're saying. Because nobody made me do that. It would be different if they said, yo, only way you can eat on TikTok is if you do this. Yo, you have to sound like a monkey. And then it would have to be a Caucasian person telling me that. None of that happened. I wasn't battling nobody Caucasian. TikTok doesn't have, you could do whatever you want on your live. I was doing a safari themed battle. And I didn't even have to make the sounds. I was imitating the person I was battling that had to make them. So it's like I wasn't even doing that. Like that's what I have to do to make it. But it's funny for sure. But then after the fun stops, you did the math, Frank White, and it was even wrong. Like it's higher than that. So it's not
Sheesh.
even, you know what I mean? It's funny.
Yeah, you see, I had to break down some numbers for niggas, man.
It's funny.
Let's see some better than that,
It's
man.
funny. T Top see how I stream. Like that's why I told him to come watch my stream. Cause I'm actually doing this to promote the stream. I encourage y'all to watch. I'm gonna be back on at 6. And I know when y'all see it, like when y'all see me streaming, y'all gonna think I'm streaming from Dave and Buster's. I'm streaming from my basement. It's a basketball court behind me. So I'm
Dave
like,
and
know what I
Buster's
mean?
is
Like,
hilarious.
cool. Hey,
Nah, I seen the basketball court yesterday. I said, what the fuck? I said, let me get my black ass
hey.
on TikTok.
Yo, but T Top noticed, like some other people may not. I have no reason to lie, bro, because I came from the other side. This y'all seen it. The side where
That's a
you know what I mean? It wasn't so pleasant. So of course, and I think that's the problem that people get confused. It ain't that I'm trying to rub it in nobody's face or be arrogant or shit on nobody, because I'm still the same me every time niggas see me, and I'm still willing to help anybody. But anybody that thinks they going to dim my light, it's never gonna happen, bro. Because I'm where I'm at. So I'm never gonna. If I know you got any type of malice or hate in your blood, I'm not gonna let you speak to me a certain way. I wasn't going to do it before, and I'm definitely not going to do it now. And that irritates niggas. And I get it. you should be irritated. Like, but that's just the reality of it, nigga. Like, life is life, man.
You feel like
Life is good.
the objections you've been getting is fair, or you feel like niggas is bugged out completely?
I mean, it depends on who you ask because niggas insert themselves into the conversation that they not in. So it's like if I start going off on the culture and I'm spreading my accolades, you notice Kid Chaos and T Top, they never took it no way because they know where we stand. They know I'm not talking about them. And I think niggas that really understand and know me from the beginning of the culture know where I stand in the culture and know even when I'm speaking on the culture, wherever stance I'm speaking on, it's still to move it forward because I think we all know I'm in a place in my I don't even have to talk about it. I could just walk away. I don't gotta. Even when I was coming back and niggas is like, "Oh, DNA's mad. We don't want." I'm doing it. I knew I wasn't coming back, and it ain't because niggas didn't want to book me. It's Beasley. Beasley told me himself, like, "Yo, DNA, don't even make sense right now for you to come back. Like, to do what? Because he know what's going on. So it's like I'm doing it. I literally said, "Well, I don't know what spark I could put in the culture, but I'm a spark it." So I'm going back and forth with Eunice. I'm doing that shit still to help. I'm not doing it. Obviously, niggas seen when it didn't happen. I didn't come back uh, on a like desperation tactic. So it shows it was just out of love for the sport. Same thing when I went at it with homie. Whether you think I won or lost, what was that from? Like, think about that. I did that at the end of October, but I won't get credit that niggas is still doing that now. Who started that? Me.
That's a
Nah,
fact.
that's a
A
fact.
nigga
That
That
that's
was
was your
the
not
first
active in
battle.
the culture, I still could push the button and shift it
huh?
by just
Huh?
I'm gonna keep it a bean though, DNA. Niggas did want to see you and Eunice. You remember in that room, you asked who they want to see you battle. Though damn near the whole room said Eunice.
yeah, I want to see me and Eunice, man.
So what's up?
It just,
So what's up?
it just gotta be right. It's gonna happen. It's just gotta be right. Like the energy, the timing, it gotta be right. When it's right, it's going to happen. Like I'm not even gun ho on like, and I could admit, like when I first was approaching the comeback, I I can't lie. Like my mom was still on what we was getting when caffeine was around. So that's where
Mhm.
my mom was at. But I see that's not what the case is. So if I was to do it, I'm not gonna hold up the process or string the fans along and be the person that's hung up on money if I say I'm for the coaches. So it just would have to be the right situation and then we can figure it out. Cause I mean, I still want to do it because that's who I am. Like I'm never gonna erase that. I could be wherever I'm at, doing whatever I'm at, living however I'm at. I'm still a battle rapper. And I think that's what niggas confused too. Like niggas will go show the TikTok shit, but then niggas won't show how Shotgun Shook shit was just on the shop. His shit about to be in Raising Canaan.
Fire,
Why
Ah,
niggas
fire,
not talking
talk,
about
fire.
that?
talk heavy.
You know me? Like,
Nah, that's fire.
so and it's not just him. They just asked for him. Niggas ain't we got a whole I got some whole shit coming. T Top gonna be a part of it. Like I got some whole shit coming just on that side, on the sinking side, where they asking for battle rappers. So it's like even when I'm going in these worlds, I'm never the guy that goes there and says, yo, well, I'm this. I'm not an actor. I'm not a rapper. I'm not a streamer. I'm a battle rapper. I just do a whole bunch. I just know how to do a whole bunch of other shit. So I just don't like where people be directing the energy. Like, do I feel like the shit that I can admit because it's me and I'm still not going to deny it. Do I think the shit was funny? If I seen somebody else do it, would I troll them? Would I laugh about it? Absolutely. But I don't think that should not be the vocal point of the culture. And I'm not just saying that because of me, because it's me. I'm saying that in general when it's other shit. Like it's always something other than what actually what it needs to be about. And that's why this shit ain't where this shit ain't what it used to be about. What do you?
Why do you see that shift? Does it is it bothering you, or have you accepted that this is the way shit is now?
I mean, it always bothers me, bro. That's why that's the only reason why I be speaking, and I try to always direct it on that. But you see where niggas like I seen people tweeting about it too. You see where niggas' moms is at. You'll see somebody like me, bro. I stay out the way. Anything that I do has always been competitive. I keep it respectful. I don't cross certain lines like the invisible lines. The shit niggas don't even have to tell me I don't cross. That's just because I want the same. You can't want certain respect that you don't dish out. And then you'll see the temperament of the culture is just that. It's just wild, disrespectful, wild gossipy, wild nonsense, and nothing leads. Like nothing stems from the battle. Nothing.
It's definitely a shift. I mean, it's not just in battle rap, but culturally, drama and everything is at the forefront of content and stuff like that. But we still want to see battles, and I love hearing that you still want to battle units and stuff like that, because I think that just pushes it forward too. That's something people talk about. And you were standing there when you seen what happened to Chess, like,
No, don't say it like
so I'm
that. Don't say it
sure
like
that,
that,
I
bro.
I don't
mean,
know what you
when
mean. What
I
happened to
meant when
Chess?
the
Like, what
battle
Don't
chess?
say it like
happened,
that,
not
bro.
not like that. No, I ain't mean it like that, but I'm saying like,
That's what you said.
T-Top, you know what I mean.
Nah, fuck
But
that.
you saw that. I'm assuming it sparked the competitiveness in you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean that shit never left though, bro. Like it's just like first of all, I'll be honest. Like what as much as I did for the last 3 years, I feel like I was more valuable doing what I'm doing now. Cause whether niggas see it, like I'm not keeping tabs, but I just like anybody else doing what they do. Like when Loaded Lux and Mook did the Nigel Sylvester shit, that's still vicariously, you know what I mean, living through us because it's putting more eyes on us. So every move I'm making, that shit puts eyes on, oh, he's a battle rapper. Because them people in the power offices and people on even TikTok, they don't know what this shit is. They research it after they
Mhm.
see me like, oh, so what'd you do before this? Oh, I'm a battle rapper. Then the next thing I come back, either when I'm on set or when I'm streaming, and then niggas would be, oh, word, yo, I just watched that shit. Yo, that shit is ill. How do y'all be thinking of that? And you already know how I go. It ain't gonna stop with just watching me. Now they about to watch everybody.
1,000%. But you could speak to that because we had a conversation. A big conversation was about superstardom and if there's superstars in battle rap. You being outside in these bigger platforms, how big is battle rap for real?
Yo, bro, battle rap is one of the biggest things in battle. Like the worst thing about battle rap, bro, is the people that be in battle rap. Because not even just myself. If you go out,
Say that shit
if you
again.
go outside of battle rap, bro, all the image that niggas have of me in battle rap, nobody has that. Like nobody had whatever stigma anybody got. That shit doesn't exist out there, bro. Like for instance, when the Knicks just won the championship, bro, I got while niggas was online, and this is off of battle rap. I got that Ron Stone NBA championship shirt sent to my house from Fanatics. I became a Fanatics brand influencer just from my content about the Knicks saying, "Get them the fuck out of here." We can walk in Mitchell
Crazy.
and Ness and get whatever jersey I want for free off of battle rap. Like, and even though I got on power off of the recaps, when I'm on set, bro, all the directors and shit, they be talking about battle rap. So that shit is, bro, that shit is, I'm trying to think of in these last 3 years, just any place I went, bro, it's been battle rap. Like that's what niggas is saying. To the point that people that actually got me in the door that might not be that hip on it, they go, oh shit, I didn't know it was that popular, bro. Everybody watches that shit, bro.
Damn, well, you really took it to some crazy places. Salute to you for the soundtracks. You know what I mean? Like that syncing that you're doing, I think that's a game changer. You know what I'm saying? So salute to you for pushing the culture forward like that.
Yeah, I mean, but yo, this is the thing though, Frank. At the end of the day, bro, as many people as I could get on board with that, I am, because you gotta think, I'm saying this for talking shit is talking shit. That's what we do to keep the shit going forward. But on some real shit, nigga, from the wackest battle rapper to the one you don't like to the one that you do like, they have the toughest job. Nigga gotta say something one time. He's gonna get paid from it one time. He can't mess up, and he can never say it again. Off of that, or what I learned about power is, for instance, right? In that one space, I'm getting paid doing three things at once. I'm getting paid for background music, I'm getting paid if I act, and then I'm getting paid if I write the song for somebody that performs on the actual show. So that's what I mean about monopolizing the game. It's like at this point, I'm 35. Like you want to work smarter, not harder. We
That's a
racking our
fact.
brain to come up with the craziest shit, and it's done. It's one. We getting that one time. It's over, and that ain't no fault to the league. I'm just saying we in an environment where there's no possible way you're gonna. They're not gonna make that back. That's the other thing too. When niggas be like, "Yo, man, the league is selling you short." Niggas that did their T-top know when you throw that event and you see that overhead, niggas ain't getting over on you, my nigga. That shit is not coming back. So
That's a
nigga ain't
fact.
gonna keep spinning. Nigga ain't gonna keep. You know what I mean?
That shit is real,
I'm
dog.
very familiar.
Shit real, man.
So It ain't even like yo, the leagues is getting over. It's like realistically, how would a URL pay you 3 times to do this? They
That's
struggling to
real.
pay you once. How they getting it back?
Hi,
That's
DNA.
real.
What's going on?
Okay, so
Hold on. Before you see that, I see that guy in there.